In this video, we'll show you how to use offline recording on the Chartnote Mobile App. If you ever lose your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, don't worry. Chartnote will automatically prompt you to switch to offline mode. When that happens, tap Use Offline. You'll see the offline recording screen where you can create a new recording. Tap New Recording and give your recording a name. Tap OK to start recording and begin speaking as you normally would. When you're done, tap Finish. Your recording will be safely stored on your device until you're back online. Once your phone reconnects to the internet, open the app again, tap your offline recording, and choose AI Scribe or Voice Chart to process it. Then hit Transcribe. The note will appear in your list just like any other recording processed online. And that's it. That's how you record and process notes even when you're offline using Chartnote Mobile. It's perfect for when you're seeing patients in areas with limited connectivity. Your documentation workflow stays uninterrupted.